Hi folks, it's John from lastchanceautorestore.com. I'd like to share with you a quick update. This is the introduction to the 700R4 transmission. We completely rebuilt this transmission. We're working on the Pontiac Firebird. So it's a 68 Pontiac Firebird hardtop, and we totally rebuilt the engine. It's a 454 big block, which is not proper, as you know. It should be a 400 Pontiac engine. But the 454 Chev engine came with the car, so we've totally rebuilt it, and we'll share it with an upcoming video on the total rebuild and what it looks like now. So the car came with a turbo 350 automatic, and it had quite a few issues with the clutches, and it had like a burnt toast smell in the fluid, so it needed to be totally rebuilt. So our client wanted to increase or better the car, so what we've done is, rather than using the turbo 350, we've gone to this 700R4. So this transmission is out of anywhere from an 82 to 86, non-electronic. So now we have 4 forward gears as opposed to 3. So what we did is we bought a B&M transmission rebuild kit, and we bought the upgraded version, which they call the Super Transmission Kit. It comes with everything that we needed to rebuild the transmission, but to also increase the performance to a street transmission version. So this kit basically comes with a street application or a strip. So what we did is we went with a street application. So it's going to give us better shifting, cleaner shifts, and lots of longevity. So all the clutches and everything have been redone in it. So we'll break away now, and we'll show you. There's a slideshow. We took all the pictures as we rebuilt this in-house at Last Chance Auto Restore. So here's the slideshow now. Okay, so now we're back. So you can see through the pictures that we just shared with you, everything was done. So the front pump was all taken apart and redone with new seals and O-rings, and everything was done from top to bottom, from front to back seals. So now that we have it all done, what we'll do is, in our next video coming up, we've just painted it the normal silver color. And then the side of the actuator cover we have just painted black. And then we'll share with you later, we've got the oil pan, which is painted black too, the transmission pan. So this will make this Firebird, Pontiac Firebird, much happier with the 700R4. So we'll have the overdrive transmission. So in our next video, we'll share with you, after we share the engine, we'll show you with this all together, the engine and transmission together as a unit, before we set it in the new front subframe of the 68 Firebird. So I thank you for watching. I'm John from lastchanceautorestore.com.